Hello, boys and girls. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. We are going to continue with our math lesson. The cursor is moving on to the screen. Now, boys and girls, I want you to sit still and focus on your screen, okay? Because you got to pay attention to your screen. That's the only way you're going to pick this up quickly, okay? So keep your eyes focused on your screen and let's get started. Now, here's our math, okay? It says subtraction with a number line, okay? You remember what a number line is. That's this up here, okay? I went over that yesterday, but I'm going to continue to go over this so that way you can see it and you can get the hang of how a number line is useful when you're subtracting two numbers, okay? Now, let's look here at our subtraction equation, okay? Sometimes a subtraction equation is going to look like this, okay? It says 6 minus 2. Let's read it together. Read with me. Here we go. 6 minus 2. Let's read it again. 6 minus 2. Your turn to read it. Go. One more time. Read it. Go. Now, boys and girls, when we subtract, okay, when we are coming upon a minus sign, you go this way. Watch. You see how the arrow is going this way? You're actually going to go the left way. You're going to head toward the 0, okay? Let's say you're here at 9. When you subtract, you have to go this way. You're going to be jumping depending on what the second number here says, okay? Now, let's come up here and look at this first number. This says 6. So the first thing you're going to do is find 6, which is here. You're going to put your finger here and you're going to count backwards this way, okay, to get to your answer. But to find out how many numbers you're going to have to jump, you have to look at this second number. Now, this second number says 2, okay? So, here's how we're going to do it. You're going to come back to 6. You know that number says 2. So, all you're going to do is jump 2 times, okay? And your answer is right here. Watch, Mr. Begay. Let's come back to 6. We have to jump back 2 times. Watch. 1, 2. Okay? You see how I did that, boys and girls? 1, 2. Because that number is 2, so I stop right here. This is where you're going to stop. The answer is what? It's right here. 4. So watch, okay? Let's grab 4. And let's insert 4 now at the bottom because that is our answer. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay? 6 minus 2 equals 4. Because we started at 6 and we jumped back 2 numbers to get to 4, which is our answer, okay? Now, that's what you call a number line. It's very useful when you subtract numbers. Now, let's come to this next slide, okay? Now, let's pay attention. We have here 2 different numbers, okay? Our subtraction equation is here. Now, it says 8 minus 3. Let's read it again. 8 minus 3. Your turn to say it. Go. One more time. Say it. Go. 8. Now, boys and girls, we're going to use the number line up here again. You're going to look at this first number, which is 8. So you know you're going to have to find 8 and start from here. You're going to have to jump this way, okay? Remember, when you subtract, you're going to always go towards the 0, okay? You're going to head back this way depending on what this number is in the second, okay? So let's come back to 8. Now, this number is 3. So watch. We're going to have to jump back 3 numbers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 5. So boys and girls, let's get 5. Let's move 5 down there because that is our answer. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's read it again. 8 minus 3 equals 5. As you can see here, you see this girl too? She's using her fingers, but we're going to use our number line. But she has that skill down now on how to subtract, okay? That's what we're learning now, okay? Now, keep your eyes on your screen as we are coming upon another subtraction equation, which is right here, boys and girls, okay? 3 minus 1. Let's read it again. 3 minus 1. Your turn to read it, go. One more time, read it, go. Now, boys and girls, we're going to use this number line up here again to help us. You're going to start at this first number, which is 3. So you have to find 3, which is here. And remember, when we subtract, when there's that minus sign there, you know you're going to head this way toward the 0, okay? You're not going to head this way because we are not adding. You're only going to head this way towards 10 only if we are adding. But we are not adding, we're subtracting, okay? Subtraction, minus. So we have to go this way now towards that 0. You see that arrow? This way. Now we start at 3. We're going to have to jump back 1 number because that says 1. Okay? Watch me. 1. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 2. So let's grab 2 and insert 2 at the bottom there. That's our answer. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's read it again. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Because we started at 3, we have to jump back 1 number. And our answer is right there, 2. Okay? Now, let's do another example. Look at your screen, boys and girls, okay? Number line again, right here. Say number line. Good job. Now, let's read this subtraction equation. Read with me. 10 minus 8. Let's read it again. 10 minus 8. Your turn to read it, go. Read it again. Good job. So boys and girls, we're going to use this number line again. We have to find 10. This says 10. So you have to come right here to 10, okay? And remember, we're subtracting. So we have to head this way toward the 0, okay? We're going to have to go this way to the 0 and to the arrow that's pointing this way, which is left, okay? Now, we start at 10. We count back how many numbers? What number is this? 8, okay? So let's start at 10. Let's count back 8, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's our number, boys and girls? 2. So that's our answer here, boys and girls, okay? So 10 minus 8, that is going to equal 2. Okay? When we use that number line. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Let's read it again. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay? Now, keep your eyes on your screen, boys and girls. Let's do another example, which is right here. Now, boys and girls, we have our subtraction equation right here again. 5 minus 2. Let's read it again. 5 minus 2. Your turn to read, go. Read it again. Now, boys and girls, we're going to use our number line up here again. We're going to start with this first number, which is what? 5. Okay? 5. Now, how many numbers am I going to go back? 2. So watch Mr. Begay. 1, 2. So what's our answer? It's right here. 3. So let's get 3 and insert 3 at the bottom there. So we have 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's read it again. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Because we start at 5, we have to jump back 2 numbers, and our answer is 3. Okay? Now, let's keep going, boys and girls. Let's look at another example here. Here is our subtraction equation again. 9 minus 3. Let's read it again. 9 minus 3. Your turn to read it, go. Read it again. Now, boys and girls, we're going to use our number line up here again, okay? We have to find this first number, which is 9. 9 is right here, okay? We found that number. Now, we look here at this second number. It says minus 3. So we're going to have to go back this way 3 numbers, okay? We have to count. We have to head toward that 0, going back 3 numbers, okay? So let's find 9. Find 9. And let's jump back 3 times. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So what's our answer, boys and girls? It's right here. 6. So let's grab 6. And let's put 6 there because that's our answer. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Let's read it again. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Your turn to read it, go. Now, good job, boys and girls. Let's come here to our next example. We have here again a subtraction equation, okay? We have our number line here again that we're going to use because it says math subtraction with a number line. Now, same thing, okay? Because you're going to have subtraction equations that are going to have the same number like this, okay? Same thing, boys and girls. You're going to look at this first number. 6. 6 minus 6. Let's read it again. 6 minus 6. Your turn to read it, go. One more time, read the equation. Now, same process, okay, boys and girls? You're going to look at this first number, which is 6. You're going to have to find 6, which is here. Now, we look at this second number. It says minus 6 again. So we're going to have to go back 6 numbers. We're going to have to count, okay? Watch Mr. Begay. Keep your eyes on the number line. Here we go. Count with me. We start at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 0. So let's get 0 and let's insert that at the bottom, okay? Because that's our answer. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Let's read it again. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Because we start at 6, we jumped back 6 numbers, okay? Because that says minus 6, we landed on 0, which is here. Sometimes your subtraction equation is going to look like this. You're going to get 0. It's the same thing, okay? Now, boys and girls, go get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, here is your math homework assignment. I want you to copy down this number line. Here are 4 subtraction equations. I want you to write on your paper, and I want you to give me the answers at the bottom. You're going to use this number line right here to help you, okay? Same process, what we just did. You're going to start with the first number, you're going to find it up here, and you're going to go back however many numbers the second number is, okay? If it says -2, you're going to go back 2 numbers. Remember, you always have to head toward the 0 because we're subtracting, okay? Now, boys and girls, if you forget how to use this number line, or if you forget what these numbers mean or how to use them again, rewind the video and watch it again, okay? Sometimes when you watch it a second time, you pick it up again. You start to realize what you need to really understand, okay? Now, go ahead and pause the video right here. Continue on with your homework. You have 4 problems that you need to complete. When you're done, put it in a folder and return it on Friday because you are going to get graded on this. Go ahead and pause the screen because I'm going to log off here in a bit.